Hare Krishna, Sadeh Pranam. A very warm welcome to the day 43 of my YouTube channel, Dental Tips. Today's topic of discussion. Today we are going to discuss about halitosis, which means bad breath. It's one of the symptoms of various dental conditions, as well as it could be a symptom of various medical conditions. It could be as a consequence of some other conditions like smoking, alcoholism, or it could be a consequence of prolonged fasting. So now what are the dental conditions responsible for halitosis? The dental conditions responsible for halitosis or bad odor or oral malodor or putrid odor coming from the mouth are tooth decay. It could be a periodontal disease, periodontitis. It could be gingivitis. It could be due to tonsillitis. Now, what are the medical conditions which are responsible for this foul odor coming from the mouth? And halitosis is always a symptom. It's not a disease. It's a symptom. It's a manifestation. And the medical conditions which are responsible for halitosis could be diabetic ketoacidosis. It could be liver failure. It could be a problem in the lungs. It could be a disorder in the sinuses. It could be a disorder in the nose. It could be a disorder in the stomach. It could be any condition, medical condition. And apart from this, prolonged fasting and alcoholism and smoking also results in halitosis. So coming to the treatment measures. How do we treat this halitosis? Treatment of halitosis is first identifying the underlying cause, that what is the cause for this halitosis, and then treating the underlying cause. And if the underlying cause is dental or medical, whatever, treat that cause. And what are the oral hygiene measures to prevent halitosis? The oral hygiene measures to prevent halitosis is 2 times brushing of teeth daily. One is after breakfast and one is before going to bed. And flossing in the interdental areas, removing the food stuff from the interdental areas at least once in a day. And also, after every meal, do warm saline rinses. Take a pinch of salt and lukewarm water and rinse your mouth with it. So that's all for today. Thank you many folks for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.